The Lagos State Technical and Vocational Education Board, LASVEB, has celebrated one of its students who came second in the African Leadership Academy's Summer Engineering Challenge Program 2022. Executive Secretary of LASVEB, Ms. Ronke Aziz, said this feat achieved by the student shows that the state government is not paying lip service to technical education.
When we're talking about innovation, we're talking about creativity, and we're trying to get our students to think outside the box. And this win, this achievement has demonstrated that we are moving forward when we are trying in terms of getting our students to be much more responsive when it comes to what is going on around the world.
The champion, Daniel Salami, shares his journey to success.
It is not easy to become a champion. We went through a lot of stress, but glory be to God. Preparation is very deep. We have to put some things together, do some experiments, and we bring out ideas. Can this work? And we put it together and make a solution to the problem given to us in the challenge. So the problem is how technology can be used to address the crisis of our clean water in Africa. Participating in the challenge, you meant to provide solution to the problems, what you feel, what can be not even in Nigeria, all over the Africa, that will be useful.
He came second in Africa. He represented LASVEB, not just LASVEB, Lagos State and Nigeria. And he gave us a very proud prize, which is the second position. Technical school can go out internationally and win.
His instructor, Mr. Adewumbi Adebowale, commended the executive secretary of the board for her support during the program.
Preparing for the challenge has not been an easy task. Thanks to the ES, the executive secretary of LASVEB, shall be so supportive in terms of financial and moral support. You know, if you are designing in engineering, you don't just say, this is what I want to do. You try and try and try. So we always go back to her requesting for financial assistance, and she'll always be there for us.
I am excited as a principal because it's happening during my time and under my watch. And at the same time, I see the school, going, places with that kind of laurel, and at the same time, it's going to inspire other students to do same.
Over 38 countries took part in the challenge. African Leadership Academy Summer Engineering Challenge 2022 is an intensive program which engages participants in various engineering practices and disciplines. Participants competed in teams to create and design a solution to important relevant engineering designs.